Una tayong minahal ng Diyos. Una tayong minahal ng Diyos. Hindi natin pwedeng akuin or i-earn yung grasya kasi Diyos lang ang makakapagbigay nun. Kahit tumambling pa tayo ng 1,000,000 beses, we cannot earn grace. Either way, makasalanan at hindi, pareho tayong mahal ng Diyos. Tandaan po natin na hindi yun dahil madaya ang Diyos, pero dahil nature yun ng Diyos na magmahal. Hindi siya Diyos kung hindi siya nagmamahal. Hindi siya Diyos kung hindi siya magpagpatawad.
That grace given to us, hindi lang nagtatapos sa atin. Kailangan nating ibigay sa iba, iparamdam sa iba. Dahil yan ang ating vision. Every single man and woman all over the world experiencing Christ. We want other people to experience Christ, and that will begin from us.
Place on the cross to renew the broken. He won the grave. Hope now conceals all my days. Incredible love bridged the heavens to me. How beautiful, my eyes can hardly believe. But the truth is my heart is a part with the Lord lives in me. His love incredible.
Ang grasya ng Diyos ay parang nangyari sa atin ng pandemya hanggat may isa na nagnanais na lagi pa rin magpuri sa Diyos at lagi pa rin ibahagi sa ibang tao yung kanilang karanasan kung paano sila minamahal ng Diyos, hindi pipigil ang misyon.
Hopeful in all that's ahead. You promise sure. Faithful to you, I will serve with a grateful heart. Hopeful in all that's ahead. You promise sure. Faithful to you, I will serve with a grateful heart. Hopeful in all that's ahead. You promise sure.
We are worthy of His grace because He loved us first. And lagi nating tandaan na hindi yun dahil sa kung sino tayo. Hindi dahil may na-achieve ka, active ka sa SFC, ang taas, laki ng types mo. Hindi yun dahil sobrang galing mo. Hindi dahil yun doon. But it is because of who He is. He is love.